Hello, my lovely readers and my lovely Peppa lovers. Today, I'm not gonna read, but oh no, I will read. But the main thing is, I got a sticker activity book today. It's mermaids, unicorns, and dragons. Who love mermaids? Who love unicorns and the dragons? Please come, let's stick. Fairy tale picnic. Which magical creature are Peppa and George having a picnic with? Can you guess? Use your jigsaw piece stickers to finish the picture and find out. Alright, let's see. See. We have here. The stickers are here. Now, where is the jigsaw puzzle? I can see here. Okay, I got one. Let's see which is gonna fix here. All right, now the others. It's gonna fix. I think it's gonna fix here. Mommy Pig's hand. Right. Now we finish this, and next we have dragon spotting. Peppa and George are dragon spotting. Find the stickers of the dragons and use it to help you color in the picture. Let's see. It's them. And we have to color this picture. Then the mummy dragon. How many dragons did you color in? Circle the answer below. It's 3 dragons. Let's move on to other picture. Now there's a flying race. Place the stickers of Peppa, George and Edmund elephant riding dragons on dragons on the starting line. Shout ready, steady, go! And follow each dragon trail across the sky. Whoosh! Okay, let's see about that. This to hear. Who is flying in the helicopter? The rabbit. Who goes to the finish line? Who makes it all the way to the fairy tale castle? It's George. Under the sea party. Miss Rabbit turn Peppa and George's house into an underwater wonderland ready for a party. Finish the scene using your stickers. It's mean page 6, 7. We have to use these. First we will use what theme would you choose for your party? Is it will be a under the sea party?
BookTube Kids.